Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to automate Calendly workflows and save time with reminders and actions. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com. Now sign in via Google or Microsoft account, and then once you are in, you will see this kind of interface. Now you have to choose workflows from the left hand side menu and then select the emails reminder to invite and click on add workflow. Now name your workflow clearly right here and then choose the event types, for example 30 minutes meeting, and then click on apply. Now here you have to fill that when this happens. So make sure that this always set before event start. Once you are done with all of this, click on done, and you can edit the subject, message body, and who receive it. Make sure everything is on point. And once you are done with all of this, click on the save button, and that's it. You have just automated your first Candellini workflow in just a few minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.